Hey peeps, this is the SpiceWay 6.2 which is based on Android 13, and I got this update 2 days before for Redmi Note 10, and this is the cherry to the cake and this is so smooth. So without wasting a further ado, there is a small request to you all. If you love my video, please like the button and subscribe to the channel if it will be helpful of yours. So let's get started. In the Android version about section, you are getting Android 13, and if you scroll it, you get the beautiful Android 13 Easter egg with all the things. I love the Android 13 Easter eggs, these are too good to see. And after that, this is SpiceWay 6.2, and it is an official build which is based from the Android security update of November 5th. It is having the super fast West Coast kernel which is super smooth as well as in performance. The build number is TDA1A.221005.05, and the scene status which is most interesting and important is the enforcing. After that, here is the quick settings layout. You can check out in the internet settings. I am having my both Airtel and Jio sims. They all are working fine. In the connecting devices, Bluetooth, I have checked with my neckband. This is also working fine. No issues I have faced so far ever. In the display option, adaptive brightness is also given. You can see this adaptive brightness does works all around. In the lock screen option, you can see this. There is the option of lock screen is present over here, and you can see always show time and info, and this is fully working. You can see the always show time and info is working. Apart from that, all the things were working. Here you get dark theme also. In the dark theme, you aren't not getting like grayscale theme, but you are getting a force black theme which is totally dark. After that, you get the night light and everything that you want. Colors boosted, natural, you what do you like, you getting in this option. After that, I talk about tap to wake feature is working, not a single bug in that. Wallpaper, you can select wallpaper and style. Here you get most of the Android 13 palettes, which is more than enough to use as it has customization, so you can do check out. In the app grid, you get most of the app grid options, so you can customize them from there. After that, you are getting apps option. In the here you can games space, but don't use game space because it doesn't works fine and does not boost your device performance. Let me tell you what's the reason in the later part of the video. And the apps, I already told you, you are getting in default apps express launcher. You customize, some customizations has been given with the developer options is pre-enabled in this ROM launcher. After that, let me help you out with sound and vibration. You aren't getting any me sound enhancer, but you are getting direct sound enhancer, which basically enhance your listening quality, so you are getting that also. After that, let me talk about the security option, and the fingerprint is working fine. You can see this, the fingerprint is working fine. After that, you get more security options above here, so you can do check out from there. Play system update is also given here, so you can check out from it from here. No issues that you are getting from here. After that, the battery option. Here is the thermal profiles which is performing like a beast. I've run with all the benchmarks with the performance mode, and you can check out what's the performance and what's not. After that, battery usage. Here's my battery usage, and I used rigorously with my battery usage, and it performs outstanding in my usage case, so you can do check out it also. After that, nothing good to say here. In the system option, you are getting updated because it is a stable build, and with the official version, so you are getting a stable build, and also the option reset everything blah blah blah. And after that, I already covered with the Redmi Note 10 devices specification. Sometimes it lags also, you can see this, and the opening and closing speed of this applications on this ROM is too good because of the super fast West Coast kernel. You can see this, the opening closing speed of everything works like a charm. No stutter lags in the QoS settings. And apart from that, I will help you out to see what's the benchmarks that I have run in the device and what I am getting in this device. So this is the CPU throttling test which I have run with 89% of max performance. You can see this with the 89% of max performance, which is run for 15 minutes, and the max is 146 GIPS. You can see this. After that, this is the without any performance profile mode with the 75% of max performance, and you are surprised to see it performs a good amount of things. After that, this is the Geekbench result. You are getting a 534 of single core and 1531 of single multi-core score, which is performance wise it's far enough for Android 13 ROMs. It is the Geekbench Vulkan score, which is perfect in comparison with the MIUI. This is the Open Slingshot Extreme test, which performs outstanding in this, because in the Android 12 ROMs it performs well, but after that some Android 13 ROMs it doesn't. So it is best for it. After that, this is the stress test. In this test, the device gets too much hotter, and you can see the best loop score, everything here. So these were the performance wise any benchmark scores. And first of all, I want to share you the device certification of this device. So you can see this device is certified by default. You can run banking apps easily in this device with the no hassles. After that, I want to put some things like, for the installation method, you have to just reboot your device into recovery, whichever recovery, TWRP, overfox, or any recovery based on lineage OS. You just need to flash Ning GApps, Android 13 GApps package plus this ROM package, because it's a vanilla built ROM, so you are not getting Google App support also. I have installed and I've used this ROM, and this is such a fluid and best ROM for Redmi Note 10 based on Android 13. And guys, I am testing the Pixel Plus UI 5.0 for Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max, so I will give that video also after 2 days or 1 day. So please check out that video, and please let me support you, and you will support me to increase day by day. So it's my humble request to please subscribe to the video. Please like to the video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.